All right, I'm gonna do one of my favorite workflows right now. So this is just a quick like app development type workflow. And this is something anybody can use real quickly if you just wanna like get started on something or get some ideas out there. So let's start with, give me an idea for a SaaS app. It should be pretty simple. I don't even want it to need a database. Let's just give it, I've been just super trivial. Okay, so all right, so it's gonna come up with something. Nice thing here is that I'm not trying to like think up something. I'm just having it throw something out there. All right, so SaaS idea, one-time note, secret link. Okay, web app that can users can write a quick note and generate a one-time shareable link. Okay, sounds good. Let's build it. So now I'm gonna say generate a complete PRD of this ID, right? And it's going to create a like full turnkey PRD for that idea. Now, PRD are like a big deal. There's a lot of applications out there now that are trying to get into like delivering optimal PRDs. I'll have something to show you guys in the future for that. But you know, this is kind of like just a quick little starting point for, okay, what is this thing made? All right, let's go ahead and I'm just gonna come down here. I'm just gonna copy this. Barely even gonna read it, just scanning through it. And then I'm coming over here to Replit. Now, Replit's one of my favorite tools for quickly sort of vibe coding an app. You don't have to use it just strictly for that, but it is pretty effective at it. So I'm just gonna paste that right in there, and I'm gonna just go ahead and drop that in and go. I'm not even gonna select any particular things or anything special. I'm just dropping in what I pasted. I'm hands-free right now, and I'm gonna let this thing run. So first thing it's gonna do is it's starting with just kind of analyzing the PRD. You can see down here the thing is working currently, and so it's trying to like it's just, you know, doing an analysis, initial analysis. So okay, cool, it's already started building it, and now it's got like a layout kind of, you know, built out over there. It's designing the visual components of it, and see where this thing goes. Sales, smart sales. Yeah. All right, so it comes up with like a name, it comes up with a logo, it starts to do the design. Okay, approve the plan, ready to build. Yes, let's go, approve that plan. Okay, so now it's gonna actually get started on the main flow, and it's beginning to do the fun stuff. So we're just gonna we just wait at this point. I mean, literally, we're just gonna sit here and wait, and it's going to essentially just build this app while it's going through chatting with itself. Okay, cool. So one-time note, create a secure note, end-to-end encryption, generate secure link. All right, whole entire front end is built. Back end is pretty much there too. Let's take a look and see what this thing's actually doing. Okay, so it's just right now it's still in a very early phase. It's just got a couple, it doesn't have like most of the files there yet, so we'll give it some time to write those files. It's still in the determining next steps phase and stuff like that. So let's let this thing run and just see how far it goes with, this is like what I would call like a zero shot type, you know, app development task here. And I could go in and start optimizing very specific things about this. One nice thing about Replit is, you know, it's got the ability to select elements that you can use. I can't do it at the moment just from where the status of the thing is, but I can actually tell it what I want it to edit, and explain exactly what that thing is, and figure that out. Okay, cool. So it's creating the index file right now. It's making a couple of things. So there should be some files. They're going to start to pop up here. Now they're here now. And a whole bunch of files, actually. You know, the client, the server. This is the front end, the index file that we're looking at, the back end, the server files and stuff like that. So it's got all those built, and it's still working. It's still doing its thing. It hasn't, you know, it hasn't said, hey, I'm done yet. What else do you want me to do? So let's let this thing complete and just see what it produces. All right, it's got some things that it wants to do later. Add password protection, implement custom branding, white label options. Okay, well that's cool. Add analytics to the dashboard for link tracking, enable team management and shared dashboards. I mean, you know, this is really like, these are really great ideas to sit there and add into the app, but it's still building. It's still cruising along. So it's just generating all the little files. So let this thing run, and then we'll give it a test when it's done. Okay, good. It's installed dependencies. It's installing a couple of other things. All right, cool. It's still pumping along. All right, great. So that thing did that. Now it's loading up the preview, and it says that it's built the app, it's created everything, and good to go. So this is like 5 minutes of basically process here to do this. And so let's just say this is a test notes. Now I don't expect this thing to actually like work right now, but I'll go ahead and give it a go. So, okay, so it says success generated link successfully. That's great. Okay, and here's the link. I just had to scroll down to find it. So now we have this link here. Now this is probably like, obviously, I don't think this link is gonna work because I haven't done the deployment of this, but theoretically, like if I deploy this app and if I do this and I send somebody that link, then I should have a whole entire PureLink system built. Took me 5 minutes to do. Did it with 0 shot in prompt into ChatGPT and a 0 shot into Replit, and then just went hands-free and it built. So this is why people are talking about vibe coding, you know, apps and stuff like that is easy, because I just built an app in 5 minutes.